Hi guys, welcome to Nene Math. It's me, Nene, and today we are going to talk about radicals. So, you might be confused with radicals, but I'm going to clear that confusion. So let's start with the first problem. So we need to find the square root of 9. So how do we do this? All we have to do is find two numbers that multiply to get 9. So I know 3 times 3 makes 9. So all we're going to have is 3 for our answer. So now let's move on to the next problem. We're going to do basically the same thing, finding two numbers multiplying to get 64, and that is going to be 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. So our answer is going to be 8. So now we're going to get a little tricky here and add this cubed root. As you can see, there is a 3 in the corner. So this means instead of two numbers multiplied to get the root, we're going to have 3 numbers. So we're just going to have 3 numbers to get multiplied to get 27. So that is going to be 3 times 3 times 3, which equals 9 times 3, which makes 27. So our answer is just going to be 3. So now same thing with the next cubed root. So we're just going to find 3 numbers that get the number 8. So 2 times 2 times 2 is going to get 4 times 2, and that is going to get 8. So our answer is just going to be 2. So now we're going to get to another level and simplify the radicals. So I'm going to walk you through it. For this first one, we just find 2 numbers to get the number 16, so that's going to be 4. So now let's move on to this one. I cannot think of any numbers that are going to multiply to get 98. So we have to think smaller numbers. 49 times 2 makes 98. And I found this by dividing 98 by 2. And that's where we get 49 from. And I specifically picked 49 because it is a perfect square. That is the only way we can simplify our radical. So all we're going to do is we're going to take this 49 and break it up into 7 since it's a perfect square, and we are going to write 7 root 2. And we're not going to put 7 in the corner of our radical, which makes it mean a completely different thing. So now let's move on to the next square root. So as we did with the last problem, we're going to divide our 75 into a perfect square. And I'm going to use perfect square as an abbreviation. So we get 5 times 5 is 25, and we just bring the 3 down, and we get 5 root 3. So now we have a cubed root we have to simplify. So it's not that different. All we have to do is break 81 into 27 and 3. This time we're going to find a perfect cube. So that is going to be 27. Since 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. So I also found 27 by dividing 81 by 3, so that's where we get the number 27 from, to get the perfect cube, and 27 times 3 is 81. So all we have to do is take 3 from the perfect cube, put the cubed root sign in, and then we just drop down the 3. So that is going to be our final answer. Thanks for watching. Bye!